Hey there, Sue Taylor here with Keystone Behavioral Health. So today we're going to talk about worry, but first I want to let you know I'm going to do a video about phobias, specific phobias, and I'll do a video or two before that to help set the stage and really build the foundation for how to begin to deal with a phobia and other kinds of anxiety. Those videos will be really important because I'll be teaching you a very different way of responding to what causes you anxiety. Now, let's get straight to the point about anxiety today and talk about worry. So, there's two kinds of worry, and one is more useful to us than the other. So, let's start with the kind of worry that's not so useful. Anxiety involves worry because we worry about something that's going to happen, usually in the future, or at least we think it could happen in the future. And we think we can stop the worry by continuing to think about it, because if we aren't thinking about it, then we aren't able to stop the thing that we're worried about. So now that's a real mouthful. This is the kind of analysis that's really this vicious circle without any kind of resolution. And we continue to worry and feel totally out of control about the issue that we're worried about. So there's a whole lot of what if this or what if that. And this kind of worry is typically the things we can't do anything about, which is really scary because we can't control it or the thing we're really worried about. So with this kind of worry, here's what you do for right this second. Step back to recognize that it's happening. Yes, there it is again. And then you can fill in the blank for whatever it is, and there's a million examples, isn't there? So now the better kind of worry is the kind we can do something about, and there's a way to get that worry resolved or fixed or accomplished in some way so that you can stop thinking about it over and over again. So you don't need to continue to think about it because it's done. It's over. There's nothing to try to control. So if you can't do anything about the worry you have, it's sort of just chit chat in your head. You can acknowledge it and ask yourself if you can do anything really constructive about it, not just continuing to worry. Then, if you can do something about it, you can begin to set the stage so you can think about how you're going to solve it step by step. So usually once it's solved or accomplished, that worry goes away. For that chit-chat kind of worry, recognize that it's there. Ask yourself if there's anything you can do about it. And if the answer is no, make a note so you can check later to see if the situation has changed and you can see if there's something you can do about it. It doesn't mean that your worries are not legitimate. It means there may not be anything you can do about them. So most of the time, nothing's really changed, and you'll have to begin to accept uncertainty and to tolerate uncertainty and to feel a little uncomfortable about that. Now, this is a very different response and a very important response rather than trying to fix something that can't be fixed. So we're going to talk more about this in future videos and how important this concept is to reduce your anxiety. I'm Sue Taylor with Keystone Behavioral Health. Send me an email or make a comment below. Thanks for watching.